So, the USA men basketball team just won the Paris 2024 Olympics. And I have the perfect shoes to celebrate that. Come on, join me as we unbox these shoes to celebrate their gold medal victories. So this box has been sitting here for about 3 days now, and I've been wanting to open this, to be honest, actually. But I've been waiting I've been waited for the result of the finals of the Olympics and celebrate it by opening these shoes. And would it be perfect to open this box to celebrate the USA men basketball gold medal victories? Yeah. So come on, join me as we open this box. So it has been sealed. So it will be my very first time to open this box. And join me as we open this and to look what's inside. But be very careful when opening the box. It's from Nike. So, and it is a Mamba box inside. So, yes, your guess is right. This is the Kobe 4. This is the Kobe. Oh, and we have the typical black Mamba box with the Mamba logo and a Kobe signature here. And it says on the label Kobe 4 Pro Tro, white, dark, obsidian, blank obsidian. And this is actually a very special shoes. This is also my first time to see it. And baba! This is the Kobe 4. Wow! This is the Kobe 4 Pro Tro gold medal. Very appropriate, right? To celebrate the US men basketball team in their gold medal victory in the Paris 2024 Olympics. So it comes with this paper, and to give you a little background of the shoes, this is a commemorative shoes actually in celebration of the US men's basketball team a gold medal victory also in 2008. That's the first time that Kobe joined again the USA men's team after the disappointing loss in 2004. They called that team the Redeem Team. So this is a commemorative shoes originally launched in 2009 to celebrate the gold medal of Kobe and the USA men basketball team. So it comes with a gold colorway, predominantly gold colorway, with hints of USA men basketball team colors, the navy blue and red. It comes with variety of gold, with gold letters, with gold snake skin here and the forefoot, with the typical first generation fly wire. And one of the best feature of the shoes is the heel counter here at the back. And we have the typical herringbone outsole with black, red, and gold hints, with translucent forefoot. And for the foam technology of the shoes, it comes with a large zoom here at the back, zoom bag here at the back, and the typical phylon on the forefoot. But the thing that makes these shoes stand out is the historical importance it gives not only to the USA men basketball team, but also to Kobe and to all Kobe fans. As you can see, I want to point out, in a typical Kobe 4 Pro throw, we can see the number 24 at the back. But on here, on this commemorative shoe, we can see number 10. Number 10. And coincidentally, the USA men basketball team won their gold medal in August 10, 2024. August, it's 8, being the number that Kobe wore with the Lakers. 8, and then the date today is 10. That's Kobe's number in international competition and in Olympics. And 2024, that when you shorten it, it's 24. So it's very, what are the odds, right? It's 8, 10, and 24. So upon filming of this video, the USA men basketball team won their gold medal in a date wherein Kobe's number was very significant. It's 8, 10, and 24. So what are the odds, right? So I believe that this came with a purpose, that the USA men basketball team won their gold medal in Kobe's number. And I want to share another trivia about the shoes. And if you can see, if you take out the insole, you can see a medal. Look, I'll take the other one. Yeah, it's kind of hard to pull it out. The insole, I don't know if you can see it, but it has 8. If you can see the medal, the silhouette of the medal, and it says 08/24/2008 or 08. A little bit of a trivia: when the Redeem Team won in 2008, they won it on a Mamba Day, meaning they won it in August 24, 2008. Now, we remember August 24 as Kobe Bryant's Mamba Day, or the Day of Kobe for us Kobe fans. And here we can see printed on the insole 08/2004/2008. So the Redeem Team won their gold medal in August 8 or August 24, 2008. And what are the odds, right? The USA men's basketball team won in Kobe's number, and then to commemorate the Redeem Team's gold medal, they put on the date of the Mamba Day, or the day also Kobe and the Redeem Team won their gold medal. Again, congratulations USA men's basketball team for your victory in the Paris Olympics 2024. And what a way to celebrate their gold medal by unboxing this Kobe 4 Pro Throw gold medal. And I hope, guys, you will join me, subscribe to my channel for my stories regarding Kobe shoes. And one of these days, I hope that I'll be making stories of this Kobe shoes, Kobe collection that I have. Till next time again, this is Mac, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing of Kobe 4 Pro Throw gold medal. Till then.